taping and I wasn't.
What's up? Oh. He does want some.
I didn't get all the taping of that. Oh, you're pretty.
It's like a little bandit.
I didn't get the taping of them feeding each other.
Aww.
I think he thought I was a little too close for him.
Like trading.
Long tail.
Oh, there's. Oh, look at.
Hi, buddy.
Look how long their tails are.
I know. You, I want you.
That's a parrot. It's big.
It is a parrot.
Look at that one up at the top, Mine.
Ooh.
Hello. Goodbye. You were running up the thing. You were running up there.
Oh! You startled me. I'm the bird man.
Will you start singing now?
Feed the birds. Tuppence a bed. Tuppence. Do you want some?
Sing it.
Tuppence a bed. Feed the birds. That's what she cries. While overhead her birds fill the skies.
Keep going.
All around
Come on, Snow White. Let's go.
the cathedral, saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that we care. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag.
Hi, birdie.
They'll come up and sit on you and you just want to...
Hello. Are you coming?
Like,
Yep. There you go.
Be my friend.
Maya, look at those big pink ones over there on the other side.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Oh, he's pooping.
not putting shit on, but like, or cedar chips. No, I don't tell them. Small bird. Small bird.
Maya, put your hand up behind you.
What? Oh. Come here, friends.
Hell, you just stood on your body there. You can't be doing that.
Left, right.
Hold the food tray up there, Maya. They'll jump to that one in first. All right, Maya, let's go to the next. Okay, birdies are off. Get off. Get off. Off, off, off. Get up there. Hello. Get up there. You too. Get up, up. Get up there. Get up. No more food. All done. Okay, Maya, let's go on that one.
Okay.